Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yantan. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu has called for fully tapping the immense tourism potential of the northeastern states and stressed the need to improve air connectivity to the region. He said that ecotourism and cultural tourism can become the mainstay of development in the northeast if the tourism potential was fully leveraged. Noting the efforts of central and state governments in providing connectivity and tourism infrastructure, Naidu said that improving air connectivity to the region can singularly bring a significant positive impact on tourist inflows. The Vice President said this while virtually releasing the book O Mizoram, written by Governor of Mizoram, P.S. Sridharan Pillai. He said the whole northeast region presents a mosaic of diverse Indian culture with its more than 220 ethnic groups and an equal number of dialects. Urging the state and central governments to fully tap the tourism potential of the region, the Vice President suggested to them to consider incentivizing travel to the northeast. Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan has emphasized the importance of multi-stakeholder coordination, prevention and patient-centric quality care in making giant strides towards a DB-free India. He said declaration of DB as a notifiable disease in the country has improved the identification of DB cases and helped reduce the gap in identifying the missing cases in the country. Dr. Vardhan said this while digitally addressing the Platinum Jubilee of the National Conference of Tuberculosis and Chest Diseases NatCon yesterday. He said the centre has undertaken massive expansion of the diagnostic capacity and currently more than 21,000 microscopic centres are operational across the country. Project Director, District Rural Development Agency, Kei Rangting Hekoi said that every village in Nagaland has its own charm in terms of culture, tradition, scenic beauty and favourable climatic condition. Inaugurating the Zapami Village Community Burial Ground in Pek District yesterday, the project director expressed happiness over the successful execution of the project, which was constructed under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. He called upon the villagers to continue to put concerted efforts for all-round development. Asserting that Zapami village has the potential to become a tourist village, the project director urged the people to capitalize its rich resources and make the village a tourist hotspot. The University Grants Commission UGC has directed the universities to refund fees for the first year of undergraduate and postgraduate students for the session 2020-21 in view of COVID-19 pandemic. A notification from the Commission stated that in order to avoid financial hardship being faced by the parents due to lockdown and related factors, full refund of fees should be made up to November after deduction of not more than 1,000 rupees as procession fee. An order issued by the Secretary of UGC, Professor Rajneesh Jain, said that the UGC had been receiving several references in the form of RTI applications regarding non-refund of fee by the universities, which is in violation of the UGC guidelines. Stating that the Commission has taken a very serious view of such complaints, the order said any university or institution found to be violating the guidelines and refusing to refund the fee by giving its own interpretation of the guidelines will be liable for disciplinary actions. School Education Department has notified that all teachers serving in government schools throughout the state should get themselves registered at the Gurushala teacher training link provided at the Teachers app or at DOSE Online Education Services portal before the extended last date of 6th January next year. In a notification, Principal Director of School Education, Shanavas C. said teachers currently undergoing B.Ed or diploma in elementary education courses and those on maternity or earned leave during the period of January to March 2021 would be exempted from attending the Gurushala teacher training. And as the nation fights COVID-19 pandemic, let us all remember to stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, wash hands frequently with soap and water, or use hand sanitizer and follow social distancing norms. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.